Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Quick Guide. Today in this brand new video, I want to show you how you can easily download or install MyBlock app on your device. So without any further ado, let's get straight into the tutorial. First of all, make sure you have a secured internet connection. Heading towards the App Store, which is a familiar blue icon with the A in it. And in the above search bar, you can just type in MyBlock. In the search result, you can find various of apps. For now, we want to click the second one with the green icon, and you can find out screenshots and review in the interface. Click the get to start download process. It may ask you for your ID verification either with the touch ID or the face ID, or you can also could be asked for a password. Verify your identity, and here we go. My block has been started downloaded. My block has been downloaded. Open the app and enjoy. Well guys, finally my block app has been installed in your device. Thank you so much for watching video till the end. We will bring more of this type of content in upcoming days, so make sure to hit the like button. Also do not forget to subscribe our channel and set the bell icon to all. Feedbacks and queries are truly appreciated in the comment section. I will see you guys again in our next video. Have a nice day.